Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c multiplied by c multiplied by c equals to minus 64, and we solve this problem for the values of c. So here you see that c is multiplied 4 times in the left hand side, and you see that bases are same, so we add its exponent. So we write this term as c to the power of 4 equals to minus 64. Okay, after that we need to move this minus 64 in the left hand side, and it will be written as c to the power of 4 and plus 64 equals to 0. So we again rewrite this algebraic expression as in this form. We write c to the power of 4 as c square and its whole square, plus we write this 64 as 8 square, and this is equals to 0. Okay, after this step, here we cannot have any rule in which you get the you get the square of two terms and its sum. Okay, it means that we cannot have any formula or rule in which you get the a square and b square. Okay, we don't have any formula. So that here we have a method in which you solve this type of problem. So that here we can just apply the completing square method in order to solve this problem. So that first here we write the uh, square identity. You know about this identity. If we have a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of a and b. So here we use this nice formula in order to complete the square of the above term, and you see that we have the value of a is c square, the value of b is 8. So now we apply these two values of a and b, but you see here we have a square plus b square, but this term is missing, 2ab. This term is not present here, so we need this term only 2ab. So in order to make this term here, we just add and subtract. Okay, we add and subtract 2 times of a and b. So here our a is c square and b is 8. We add and subtract this term only in the left hand side of the above equation. Okay, so further you see here we have c square and its whole square plus 8 square, and we add this term and it will be written as 2 times of c square into 8, and we subtract this term also, minus 2 times of c square into 8, and this whole equals to 0. Okay, here we add and subtract this term only. So after this step, you focus on first three terms, and you see here we have this is a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. So here we combine these three terms and we write in this whole combination form. Okay, so we combine these three terms and we write it as c square plus 8 and its whole square minus this is 2 times of 8 becomes 16 into c square, and this is equals to 0. Okay, so further you see here now we apply another nice formula. You know that if you have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. Here we need this nice formula. You see that this whole term is our a, and here we write this term as here I can just first write this into this formula form. So we write it as c square plus 8 whole square minus we write this as 4 times of c and its whole square equals to 0. Okay, this is our a and 4c our b. So we substitute these two values in the right hand side of this equation. Okay, so after this step we have we write the above expression as c square plus 8 minus b. So b is minus 4c into c square plus 8 plus b, and b is our plus 4c, and this whole equation equals to 0. Okay, after this step we have c square minus 4c plus 8 into c square plus 4c plus 8, and this is equals to 0. So here we have two factors, these are multiplied by each other. So here we divide this equation into the two cases. So our first case is you take c square minus 4c plus 8 equals to 0, and the second case is c square plus 4c and plus 8 equals to 0. We call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So here we need to solve these two equations. So that first we solve equation number 1. So from equation number 1 we have this is c square minus 4c plus 8 equals to 0. This is our equation number 1. And after that here we apply the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A equals to 1, capital B equals to minus 4, and capital C equals to 8. Okay, so here we use a quadratic formula. It is stated as C equals to minus B plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the our quadratic formula, and now here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula. So we have first the value of b is minus 4. It will be written as minus 4 plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 8, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. So after this step we have c is equals to, this is minus times of minus becomes plus 4, and plus minus square root of minus 4 square equals to 16 minus 4 times of 8 becomes 32, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. Okay, further we have c is equals to 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 32 equals to minus 16, and it is divided by 2. So now we write this as c equals to 4 plus minus. We know that square root of 16 is 4 and square root of minus 1 is iota, and we break this fraction and it will be written as in this form. So we cancelled this term, 2 2s are 4, here again 2 2s are 4. So this equation implies that c equals to 2 plus minus 2 into iota. These are the two complex roots of the equation number 1. And now here we move towards equation number 2, so that we write from equation number 2. And now we first copy down this equation, and it is c square plus 4c plus 8 equals to 0. And here we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c equals to 8. So here we again apply the quadratic formula, and it is stated as c equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the our quadratic formula, and we substitute these values here. It will becomes minus 4 plus minus, here you have b square, so b is 4, 4 square is 16, and 4 times of a is 1, c is 8. It is divided by 2 times of a is 1. And after that we have minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 32 divided by 2. And here you have minus 4 plus minus square root of minus 16 divided by 2. So after that we have the other values of c are minus 4 plus minus. We know that square root of 16 is 4 and square root of minus 1 iota, and we break this fraction and we write this in this way. So these are cancelled by each other, 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. So we have c is equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 iota. These are the other two complex roots of the given equation. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.